How to fix Musi music streaming app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix the Musi app not working. For this, you want to open up the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now, you want to search for Musi app. Now, if you find the update button here, simply tap on that. Once the application has been fully updated, the glitch and bugs will be fixed. If your issue is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, you want to scroll down and find the Musi app. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all of the app's data. Once it has been deleted, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if it is still not fixed, then simply uninstall the application. Once it has been uninstalled, you want to reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. Then check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.